In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change passenger name on Wizz Air. If you've noticed a spelling mistake on your booking or need to update a passenger's details, I'll walk you through the official route on the Wizz Air website so you can make the correction with confidence. Start by heading to the Wizz Air homepage. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and look for the Help Center link. On desktop, it's in the footer. On mobile, you may need to expand the footer or navigate through the site menu to find it. Click Help Centers to open Wizz Air's dedicated support section. Inside the Help Center, look for the area that covers changes to existing bookings. Select Booking Modification. This is where Wizz Air groups all options related to adjusting your reservation, from flights to passenger information, and it's the quickest way to reach the correct policy and tools. Next, choose Passenger Details Change. This section focuses specifically on personal information updates, so it's the right place if your goal is to fix or modify a traveler's name. From there, click on Name Change. This page outlines the airline's rules, what qualifies as a name change, and any conditions that might apply. It typically explains the difference between correcting minor mistakes and making a full name change, and it's where you'll find the official pathway to proceed. Finally, follow the steps under the How to Make Changes section on that page. The site will guide you through what's required, such as locating your booking, identifying the passenger whose name you want to change, entering the correct name exactly as it appears on the travel document, and reviewing any fees or conditions before confirming. Take your time here. Ensure the spelling matches your passport or ID, including middle names if they're shown on your ticket, and avoid special characters if the system doesn't allow them. Before you submit, double-check every field and review the summary so you know exactly what will be updated and whether any costs apply. A few helpful tips as you go. Have your booking details ready, make sure you're using the same language setting throughout the process, and complete the change well before check-in closes. If the page mentions required documents for verification, have scans or photos prepared. And if something doesn't look right, or the option isn't available for your booking, return to the Help Center and use the contact options listed there for guidance. That's it. By using the Help Center, selecting Booking Modification, going to Passenger Details Change, opening Name Change, and then following How to Make Changes, you'll complete the update the official way and avoid surprises at the airport.